Tired of your outdated ride? Then wait till you meet the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. This isn't just another crossover, it's the vehicle that's aiming to change the game. With bold design, smart tech, and unbeatable efficiency, the new Corolla Cross might just be your next dream upgrade. Stay tuned as Future Auto dives into what makes this SUV truly irresistible. The 2026 Corolla Cross arrives with a confident, sculpted look and a wide stance that screams modern. Sleek LED headlights, a refreshed grille, and aerodynamic lines bring elegance to practicality. The raised ride height and 18-inch alloy wheels offer an SUV appeal that's city-smart and weekend-ready. It's not just stylish, it's designed to turn heads everywhere it goes. Step inside and you'll find surprising luxury. The 2026 Corolla Cross boasts premium materials, a panoramic sunroof, and an airy cabin. The centerpiece, a 12.3-inch digital driver display paired with a responsive 10.5-inch infotainment screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice command features make this SUV a tech haven for daily commutes or long road trips. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross offers a refined 2.0L four-cylinder engine or an optional hybrid for those craving efficiency. With a smooth CVT transmission and available all-wheel drive, it delivers comfort and control. It's no sports car, but the balance of power, stability, and fuel-saving performance makes it a daily driver with real-world punch. Toyota packs this SUV with its latest tech, a smart infotainment system powered by the new Toyota multimedia platform. Expect over-the-air updates, cloud navigation, real-time traffic, and integrated music streaming. Add wireless charging, remote climate control via app, and a digital key, and the Corolla Cross suddenly feels more like a futuristic pod than a compact SUV. Safety is Toyota's forte. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, pedestrian detection, and more. It also boasts top crash test ratings. On efficiency, the hybrid variant delivers over 38 mpg combined, proving you don't need to compromise safety or savings when switching to smarter mobility. Starting at an estimated $25,000, the 2026 Corolla Cross offers incredible value. Trim levels include L, L, and XLE, each packed with increasing levels of tech and comfort. The hybrid variant starts slightly higher but pays off in fuel savings. Whether you're upgrading from a sedan or downsizing from a big SUV, this lineup hits the sweet spot. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross blends affordability, technology, efficiency, and style in one sleek package. It's not just a new SUV, it's a serious contender to replace your current car. Still on the fence? Test drive one when it lands and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Future Auto for more futuristic rides.